Hello, hello, it's Jamaison, and I'm here with another unboxing, and I've already opened this, but this is from Tabitha's Glass Emporium, and I didn't order this. This was a surprise from Coral and Tabitha and the lovely team over at Tabitha's Glass Emporium. I got a very nice note, and it's just nice to have friends in the glass business and all around the world, and so this was a very sweet surprise. And I want to show you what I got. I was too eager to look at it, so I actually already opened it, so I cheated a little bit. But all of this is in the new collection that Tabitha just rolled out, inspired by her trip to Japan. And so I'm super excited about this. So let me just open these up one by one. These are just little sample packs that they sent to me. This is a Peacocks. And so you've got, let's see here. You would basically assemble, there's even some stringer in here to kind of complete the look. Let's see if I do this the right way. I'm making a guess here. I think those are for probably legs, I'm guessing. Now I'm going to embarrass Tabitha and team. Look at that. Look how cool that is. So it looks like that set has 2 peacocks for me to use. Get all the pieces back in there appropriately. Asian fan. Look at that. Like, this is like the little decorative fans, you know, with the folding fans that fold out. Those are very cool. I need a little water. I'll just use my finger to kind of show you better what those look like. Love it. What do we got here? The Daruma. So check that out. Ooh, that's a really good one. Yeah, these are good. Look how cool that is. Next, cherry blossoms. This is a gorgeous mix of cherry blossoms. So cool. Different sizes, which I love. I love having optionality in a mix like that. Bamboo leaf. So just, you know, lots of cool leaves come from Tabitha, but this is specifically bamboo shape. Very neat. Again, variety of sizes there, so you can scale accordingly. This one is this might be the coolest. A swan. Check that out. So you've got the body here and the neck. Look at that, floating across a pond. Wouldn't that be cool? Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Next up, fan pattern. These are really neat. This would make really cool jewelry, I think. So let's see if I can get that to a point where it's zoomed in enough that you can see the intricate detail within that. Look at this piece. Like, that is just flawless. Love it. And then finally, one more. Super clever. This has 2 people in it, a geisha and a sumo wrestler, which just cracks me up. So there's your geisha, and here's your sumo wrestler. I mean, come on. Tabitha and team, this is genius. This is just genius. So thank you for the bright surprise that I got in the mail this week. That is certainly unexpected, and but very much appreciated. Love you, friends, from all the way across the pond, as they say. Hope everything is going well in Croatia. I'm excited to follow your build out of your studio and your constant genius in developing new glass, and I appreciate these. I'm not sure when I'm going to get a chance to use them, but if you're interested in this type of merchandise, make sure you check out tabithasglassemporium.com. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.